Hey guys, my name is Everton and welcome to another video. What we'll be doing in this video is playing this game that is called Fallout Shelter. And welcome to Vault 694. Please don't get any ideas. Alright, so yeah, as I said, basically I'm gonna be playing this game, which is basically Fallout Shelter. So it's kinda like the original main game that's on PS4 and Xbox One, I believe. But now it's just for mobile. It's basically the same thing, but kind of. It's basically kind of the same thing. You just gotta you build your own thingy. Oh, 69. I do terrible jokes, but hey, 70. Okay, nice. Holy balls! This guy has got no power, but he seems pretty happy. Okay, well, cool. So yeah, basically, just you get like your little thingy. You can click on the hammer and you can build. Ooh, science lab. Me gusta. Okay. And yeah, you can basically like build your different stuff. You can send out people, like go and get some things and survive. If wait, okay, yeah, Billy, and he's got a sold off shotgun, which is amazing. Anyways, so basically you got these like headquarters, well, resident headquarters, where like if you put like a male and a female, you can actually have a baby together. If that's what I got. Look at this. I have a toe, I have a toe. Opening. Yeah, you can actually like get different like suitcases and actually open them. And also I started playing this game like a couple of hours ago, so I really haven't. I just like passed this tutorial basically. Alright, so damn, first of all, we got a pistol, which is pretty good. Because when you send out people, duct tape. Duct tape in any case is good. Uh, I don't know what I can use it for. But yeah, like, you can actually, you send out people, and those people will go on the wild and, like, find for you different stuff. Yes, power up. I'm running low on power. Caps, yeah, and caps, you can use them to upgrade your different like rooms, which is amazing. And I got a new dweller. So yeah, there we go. Wow, I'm so low on food. I've got nothing like food. Upgrade. Come on. And of course they can level up. Okay, so Donald Parker. Alright, so we're gonna put you in the food section, my man. So what I really want to do in this video is actually unlock this. I can get a freaking pet and like associated with somebody. I don't know what I'm doggy. Oh, well, I got a parrot. Wait. Pets can give your dweller a boost. Rarer pets provide better bonus effects. Assign pets. Okay. Man, my food is actually kind of going up, which is pretty good. He's level 6 already? Damn. Anyways, I don't really know what to do for the rest of the episode. I'm probably like gonna edit everything out and show when Billy is back. Also, I did not name him. His name is actually Billy. Um, in case if you know to which YouTuber that's a reference to, put it down in the comments below. Um, but yeah, probably I'll see you like when Billy actually comes back with the supplies. See you there, guys. Okay, so I'm currently filming this basically the next day before, like what happened before. And I don't know if I showed in the video, but I actually built these two things probably that I did show it, but I'm stupid and I don't remember. Anyways, with that being said, um, for some reason I'm just running low on food. Like, I don't get it. I have 4 diners. Whoop, sorry. I have 4 fucking diners. Okay? And And for so, ooh, level up. There we go. And for some reason, I only have 2 water thingies and 2 electricity things as well. Okay, power generator. Yeah, okay, and water treatment station. And look how close they are. Like, okay, most of the time they're always like above. Like, you see that like little green thingy, like these things on top, right? See that little green like line? Like, it's always on top for the electricity and the water, but for some reason the food is just always down. So yeah, basically I have another son, I guess. Um Ivato Jr. Yep, he's already an adult, as you can see. And here is his brother, Ivato. Ah, he's pretty grumpy. Yeah, he's not gonna survive too long, is he? Anyways, I'm sorry, boys. I feel so bad for them. Anyways, I'm really sorry to say this, but our trooper is unfortunately dead. But no matter what, I'm gonna revive him. So there we go. And now just let's recall him. Because, oh god, 2 hours and 23 minutes. Okay, so, but I think that I actually find a lot of great stuff. Super good. And also, if you saw, oh, yeah, I'm sorry, Deborah Parker. It's actually so sad because that is the mother of, sorry, do you really want to remove any dead dwellers? No, cancel. I can't do it, man. It's just, it's too brutal. I can't. Anyways, um, so what did I? Oh yeah, what I wanted to say yesterday. I don't know why, but when I wasn't recording, a freaking army of these gigantic insects starting invading my area. I didn't know what to do about them. Like, they were just going everywhere, like smashing through each thingy. I was like, well, what am I supposed to do, man? And yeah, so, okay, that came out kind of randomly. So I didn't really know what to do. But anyways, what I'll be doing is actually, well, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't notice. Crap. Okay, so I don't even have that. Fight. Whoa. Oh! Fuck, he's still not happy. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Yeah, there we go. That's how it is, Holmes. So basically, I'm going to be telling you guys like what happened. And see you in the next one. See ya.